Welcome to Quick Stitches. I'm Rosella from Stitching in the Moment, and today's quick stitch is stem stitch. Stem stitch, I'm going to bring my needle up through the fabric. I'm going to keep my thread below my working, and I'm just going to place my needle back down. Bring my needle up around halfway through that stitch and pull through. I'm going to move on a little way. This time I'm going to bring my needle up very close to the end of the last stitch and bring it through.
If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe